Okay, so I'm doing another quick look at a couple different radios here. Oops. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably familiar with this radio, or this radio maybe. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, radio check. You're probably more familiar with this, the Kenwood, quote unquote, Kenwood connector. We've got two handheld CBs here, field strength meter, that's connected to a massive CB antenna. You can see the bent and the crack in the ceiling as well. But yeah, the best way to use a field strength meter, well, the only way I should say to use a field strength meter to actually have it be sensitive on a given frequency is to connect it to an antenna that's resonant on that frequency. So if you want to measure field strength on UHF, you need a UHF antenna on there. Usually a quarter wave works great, which is why a lot of field strength meters come with these telescopic antennas. You can adjust the length. Another approach is to just have a set of different antennas resonant on different bands. This is a VHF antenna. This is another VHF antenna. This is another VHF antenna. But you know, that's a video that's for another video. Anyway, I wanted to talk about the, I had a feeling that was gonna happen. They're right next to each other.
Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. AM mode, channel 2, 3, radio check.
Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is crank the sensitivity up. I'm going to turn off the scanner.
Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4. Radio check, data stop it, hold on.
I break radios, so you don't have to.
Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radio check. This is AM mode. Radio check. Hello. Hello. Look at that. It's actually acting as a modulation meter because, as you know, with amplitude modulation. Hello.
Gosh, I feel like an egg. Come on. The point I was trying to make.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is that this radio, switch it to high power.
Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4. Radio check. Radio check audio.
Yeah, so it's overloading this receiver. I can take the antenna off.
Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2.
So you want to run it at low power, because when you run it at high,
audio check 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. Audio check.
so we're going to switch it to FM. That's a squelch control, by the way. Now,
this is what FM sounds like on an AM receiver. It's not very usable.
but you can see what's the field strength. Hello, hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, hello, 1 2 1 2. So the output of field strength is the same. So we'll switch to high power. Yeah. It's back to low power.
Radio check 1 2 3 4 5. FM mode. Radio check. Audio 1 2 1 2. And the field strength meter is going all over the place because I'm moving my body around. Audio check 1 2 1 2. Audio check. That's with the speaker mic there. Audio 1 2 1 2. FM mode test.
AM. AM.
Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. AM mode test. AM mode. Audio. Audio. Audio test. Hello. Hello. Okay.
Just for fun, I'll try it with another. We'll do another video in a minute here. Okay. So this is with the this is falling all over the place. H250 speaker mic. Audio test 1. What the? Hello, hello, 1 2 3. Something's wrong. Wow, that doesn't work. Let me try it with the H250 fail. Calm out shoulder mic, speaker mic.
Audio test 1 2 3 4 5. Audio test 1 2 3 4 5. Again, this is an AM mode. AM mode.
Back to FM mode.
Radio check 1 2 3 4 5. Radio check 1 2 3 4 5. FM mode. Over.
All right, well that's it for now. And I'll keep moving with this in another couple videos. Thank you.